Why, how, and when to use a weightlifting belt. Why use a weightlifting belt? It'll help give some external support when we are doing any sort of heavy lifting, and it'll allow the rigidity of our spine and our midsection so that way we can stay strong throughout our movements. How do we use a weightlifting belt? You want to find that Goldilocks zone. You don't want it so loose that it's slipping off of you. You don't want it so tight that it's pushing all of your organs up into your brain. You want to find a nice tension that allows two fingers to slip in snugly to the side and generally is going to sit around the mid portion of your back and all the way around. Take that big breath in, create that 360 pressure all the way around, and we're ready to lift. When do we use a weightlifting belt? When we're at our maxes. 90% and above, throw this on to help give you a little extra protection. So one, that you don't get hurt, and two, also help create some extra power out of you because you're going to be nice and strong through your middle. Keep in mind, this isn't a requirement. You don't have to use a belt. So if you're feeling pretty good, you feel pretty confident in your lifting, or you're going to be going under that 90% or something that's very manageable, don't use the belt, use the one you already got.